Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Daniel here. In this video, I want to show you exactly how you can start making affiliate sales by finding the right product and by generating leads for extremely cheap prices. I'm going to show you exactly how I've been running some ads, very cheap ads that's giving me under $1 leads. In fact, right now I'm seeing 70 cents per lead for this affiliate product that I'm running right now. I'm going to show you the product, how to find them, and how to start running this advertisement, how to start running these campaigns in order to start generating very cheap leads. Because if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing or with any online business, you either have to be generating leads for free or you are getting those leads for extremely cheap prices. So in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do when you're just starting out or when you're starting out with affiliate marketing or any type of online business is you have to have a product to sell, and that product could be a physical product or it could be a service-based product. And if you've seen the channel for a while, you know that I always talk about affiliate marketing as one of the easiest ways to get started online. And one of the ways to find products to sell is by partnering with other people who have already created a product that, you know, they're doing the fulfillment, they're creating the product, and you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is to drive traffic, is to find the right traffic and drive to that product. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. So if that's something you're interested in, you should just watch along. So right now, what you're seeing on the screen is a website called Digistore24. You might have heard this before, and you haven't heard it before. Digistore24 is just like an online marketplace like ClickBank. But the main difference between Digistore and ClickBank is the fact that most of the products here, you can easily promote them because a lot of the products on ClickBank, you know, they require that you have an email list, or you can't even do some brand bidding on this kind of products. But the ones on Digistore, you can, you know, they're very sometimes low ticket items that you can find easy traffic for. And the good thing about Digistore is that it's accessible to everyone. You don't have to have any kind of experience before you sign up for that. And some affiliate networks just require you to have an email list or a website or a huge source of traffic before they can accept you. But Digistore24 do not require any of that. So you can just go ahead and go sign up for Digistore and you have access to the marketplace. So if you come to the marketplace right here, you will see that they have, you know, a lot of products on the store, about 480 products. And you can see right here, they have products in the health and fitness niche. They have in the, you know, software niche. They have a lot of products that you can go ahead and promote. They have, you know, products related to crypto, which is, you know, pretty hot right now. Depending on what you're into, you can start promoting these products right away. So this is where you can go in order to start finding products. In fact, the product I'm currently promoting right now, I found it on Digistore, and you can just go ahead and promote it. A lot of the products, you know, they have, you know, affiliate resources, and some of them do not have affiliate resources. And that's one of the downsides I feel like, you know, you will encounter when you're on Digistore, because some of the products on ClickBank, they have affiliate resources like landing pages, email swipes, target audience. But if you go ahead and see this kind of product that I'm looking at right here, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan, this is a perfect product to promote, especially at this time of the year when people are, you know, trying to get fit, making New Year's resolutions and things of that nature. And the good thing about this affiliate product is that they have a ton of affiliate support system. If you click on the landing page right here, they have, you know, this very nice landing page with a video sales letter that people can just opt into, and it starts at just 17. So if you click on the affiliate materials right here, it's going to take you to the website. And on this website, you're going to find a lot of affiliate materials, especially if you're running Facebook ads. For this product, I'm currently running Facebook ads, and I'm also running TikTok ads to this product. So as you can see right here, they have a ton of, you know, resources and also testimonials. And this product is really hot because it has a wider appeal because it's in the health and fitness niche. So if you're just getting started, this is a perfect product that I can say that you can just go ahead and start promoting right now. But what is more important than finding the right product is finding the right traffic. Right? You either need to be generating traffic for free for this kind of product, or you're finding traffic for a very cheap amount because it's a low ticket item. It's under $100, right? So you don't want to be generating traffic for $20, $30 because it's not going to be worth it for you in the end. So what you want to do is you want to either have a social media like TikTok where you can, you know, post free content and generate traffic to this website, or you can use that same platform, TikTok, to start generating ads. They have, resources for TikTok ads, for Facebook, for Instagram Reels, for pretty much everything. So if you want to get started with this product, it's very, very highly recommended. So right now, I'm going to show you my TikTok dashboard, that I've been running for the past 48 hours for this product. As you can see, I've spent about $51, generating leads. And as you can see right here, the cost per click is 27 cents. Cost per 1,000 views is $2.71, meaning the cost for TikTok to show this ad to 1,000 people. And as you can see right here, I've generated 74 leads already, 74 leads with a conversion of 38%. And the cost per lead here, I believe, is about, let me see, what is that? The cost per lead is 70 cents. So cost per lead on TikTok right now, I believe, is one of the cheapest on the market because it's a new platform. People are just, trying to get on there, and they're trying to, just appeal to a wider audience by, having this very cheap cost. And this is very similar to Facebook when it just started, when people just started running ads on Facebook. You get leads for under $1. And so right now I'm getting my leads for 70 cents. And I'm pretty sure that once I start running these ads and I start, gathering these leads, I will be able to remarket to them. And that's one of the good things about this product, because they give you all the resources, not just to promote for them. They give you the resources to build your own email list and to remarket to this list later. So I'm building this email list right now in the health and fitness niche. I can go ahead and start promoting products to this audience in the future, a different product that serves a different purpose in the health and fitness niche as well. So if you're just getting started, I would highly recommend that you check out Digistore24 and start promoting this product, especially in the health and fitness niche, and start using a platform like TikTok to start generating leads for your affiliate offer, because it's very cheap right now. And you might be wondering, how do you run TikTok ads? Well, I've been running ads for quite a while now, for about 3 years, and TikTok ads is just like one other platform added to my list of expertise at this point. So if you want to see a video on how to run TikTok ads profitably or how to set it up, leave it down in the comments down below, and I will make sure to create a video on how to set up your TikTok ads for optimal performance and for the cheapest cost possible. So I hope this video has been helpful, and if it has, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We are now well over 200 subscribers, which I'm really excited about, and I hope that we can get this channel to about 1,000, and hopefully before the end of January. I know that's a huge goal, but I know we can make it happen. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. My name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video.